After lifting, gently push forward with a little force. Like Dynamic Island, we only cut half. Cut the glue on the top of it first. Lift it up a little bit to insert the tool inside. See? That's good. Turn over. Poke the double-sided tape under this metal plate. Double-sided tape under here. Then, push this corner. Push it out. Same on this side. Push it out here. Okay. Let's stick it in. Be sure to push it parallel, like this. Okay. And we're done. Cut. Get some alcohol. Flip it up. Cut. Cut. Then how do we deal with the glue on the sides? It is hot, but I know Kung Fu. You see? Then get a forceps. Clean it directly. Forceps face outside. Push forward. Very silky. Okay, done. All right, let's use wire now. Wire needs to press on the glass cover wire and rubbing solely. Rubbing and pull down at the same time. Let's stretch the wire longer after coming in. Gently and steady pull down. Okay, here we are. Then make sure to press it on the glass cover. The wire facing down. Must press down. Press the wire on the glass cover and pull it down. Pull it down by pressing the cover galses. Just pull it out directly in the end. The original screen of Max Fixin. Touch. Glass. We are the Source Factory. Own production. Factory direct sales. Please support us. You can get in touch with us. Now let's remove the LCD screen. It is also no glue separation, but it is glass no glue, you see? The step of rubbing the glue is also very important. If we rub the glue clean now, and we do not need to wipe the glue later on. Very comfortable. It saves time and effort. Done. Here comes the important part. Get some alcohol. Let's poke this corner. Poke it. Then wipe the double-sided tape inside here as well. There's that kind of hard glue in this corner too. This place is not easy to poke, so we just leave it. Just plug it in here, then we use some alcohol to make the glue soft. Step 1 is to separate the glue inside here. The glue we talk about now is the double-sided tape inside the bracket. The alcohol is not for bracket glue. After lifting, gently push forward with a little force. This is perfect one with entire glue on bracket. There is only a little glue on the LCD, but doesn't matter. Okay. See? Very little glue. We can take it off easily. Touch it and see if it's smooth. Okay, let's test LCD now. Okay. Perfect.